Hey everyone! Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step. Let's go start drawing. First I start from the top to shape the house, which is the roof of the house. Then I'll draw two lines on the side like this. And I'll draw the two lines down a little like this. Drawing the lines like this below, matching them exactly like this, to make the lower part of the drawing appear. Now I'm drawing the chimney. Then I'll try the door of the house. And finally, I'm drawing the beautiful windows outside. Great! Now I will thicken the outlines of the house so that it looks nice. Come on, friends, let's color. This is my first time using yellow color. I am giving the entire roof of the house a pink color, which is a favorite of children. This time, I am coloring in dark blue color the wall in this house. I will paint another wall of the house yellow. The door is red. Yutzy and color in this window. And I'm giving the same color as the house below. Our drawing is complete here. If you like the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you later in the video. Bye-bye.